now going to Zaragoza. We are in Spain now. It's about 100 over kilometers. So today is a Saturday and it's a very nice drive because there's not so many cars, you know. And the weather is a bit hot, but in the morning right now, so it's still cooling. But later in the afternoon, the weather gets about 28 to 30 degrees. It's sunny here, but the weather is still cooling. So when you're in the shade, it's cold. But when you walk out of the shade, then it's a bit hot. Yeah. We might be traveling to